not made any videos. So let's step it up a little. I'm gonna unbox Fleximos Imaginary and Make It. Here is my Fleximos kit, and it comes with 8 colors and it comes with 6 stickers. It comes with an alien spaceship, a rocket ship, and Saturn, and Earth, and an astronaut, and a meteoroid. Here's what you get. And tips and tricks makes the colors. Guys, now let's open it. These stickers are so huge. Get some more clay. Here's Earth. And here's a rocket. Look at this. There's more inside it. And you get a meteoroid. Guys know why I chose space? Because space is my most favorite thing. When I become big, I want to be an astronaut. So that's why I chose the space version of Fleximos. The spaceship. Ooh. Uses air pretty fast to make it dry. So if you make it, the remaining part, you can put it on the other one, or you can seal it on an airtight container. Loving it. Wow. Should I choose? Oh, blue. Alien will look cool. I completed my alien. So while you guys go buy this, I will make more stickers. I suggest to go buy them right now, and I give them a 10 out of 10 because they're so cool. Anyway, this is just for 400 rupees. I got it from Flipkart. Comment down below how you like this video.
Oh, you're so funny.